My Project Zero is a simple personal website with 4 pages. The main page contains a navigation bar and general information about me, while the other subpages contain the curriculum grid of my college, some images of animals that I like, and some of my notes. Well, for each HTML file there is a specific CSS file to answer the organization. And researching more about the CS documentation, I decided to use a feature that wasn't mentioned in the lectures. I'm talking about import, which helped me a lot, because with a base.scss file the declaration of variables was used in practically all other SCSS files easily. Let's go now to homepage. The style sheets used here are declared in main.scss file. Right, inside the main tag there is my photo, the main title of the page, a navigation menu, and the subtitles overview and my 3 favorite things. For the navigation menu I used the 4 columns of the Bootstrap grid model. The home button takes you to the overview subtitle via an ID. The other buttons take you to their respective pages. In my 3 favorite things, I made styles manually with Flexbox, and I added the borders with shadows of the Bootstrap library in each item. In the footer tag, there is a footer, where there are links to my personal pages, which are displayed by grids, and a brief description of why the page exists. When the width of the screen is less than 768 pixels, the navigation bar and its container break and are displayed in lines, because of the column-D3 class and that at media, and even until the title is reduced, making the site responsive on mobile devices. Right, about curriculum grid page now, the style sheets used here are declared in curriculumgrid.scss file. I use the Flexbox because it fits the width of the screen. Within each item container there is the name of the cycle and a table, which I have customized if I have the mouse cursor on it through this pseudo class, and also for each TD tag with the explain item class I highlight it when hovering the mouse. On every page I broke the title if the width of the screen is less than 700 pixels through this pseudo element. So about insights page now, the style sheets used here are declared in insights.scss. And here also I used the Flexbox and customized when mousing hovering. I fixed a container specific width just like I did on my curriculum page. And finally, about animals page, the style sheets used are declared in animals.scss file. And here I used the Bootstrap component of cards instead of what would be the container items. As the mouse hovers over the card, the animal's image increases in size and the text of the description is transformed to uppercase, giving a prominence. The container properties are the same in all subpages, always ensuring recursion. So, this was my Project Zero for the CS50 web program.